As I stood at the brink of Niagara Falls, the sheer power and majesty of nature unfolded before me, a breathtaking spectacle that words can scarcely capture. The thundering roar of cascading water filled the air, and a fine mist kissed my face, blurring the boundary between reality and wonder. Visiting in the warmth of summer, the landscape was alive with vibrant greenery, and the sun cast shimmering reflections on the turbulent waters. On the Canadian side, I embarked on the journey behind the falls, descending through tunnels to stand mere feet from the relentless curtain of water. The experience was both humbling and exhilarating, offering a unique perspective of the Horseshoe Falls' immense power. Crossing the Rainbow Bridge into the United States, I explored Goat Island, a serene oasis amidst the roaring waters. The Cave of the Winds tour led me to the hurricane deck, where the Bridal Veil Falls crashed down just a breath away, drenching me in its cool embrace. The proximity to the falls was an intimate encounter with nature's raw force. Returning in winter, Niagara transformed into a crystalline wonderland. The falls, partially frozen, created intricate ice formations that glistened in the pale sunlight. The mist settled as a delicate frost on nearby trees, turning them into sparkling sculptures. While some attractions paused for the season, the journey behind the falls remained open, offering a mesmerizing view of the icy cascade. The contrast between the roaring water and the tranquil, snow-covered surroundings was a testament to nature's versatility. Beyond the natural spectacle, both sides of Niagara offered a rich tapestry of attractions. The Canadian side buzzed with energy, featuring the Skylon Tower, which provided panoramic views of the falls and the surrounding landscape. The observation deck, towering above, offered a vantage point that made the vastness of the falls even more apparent. In contrast, the American side exuded a tranquil charm, with the Niagara Falls State Park offering scenic trails and the historic Prospect Point Observation Tower. The park's lush greenery and well-maintained paths provided a peaceful retreat, allowing for moments of reflection amidst the natural beauty. For those inspired to witness this natural wonder, here are some practical details. On the American side, the Cave of the Winds tour is priced around $47 per adult. It's advisable to check the official websites for the most current information and to purchase tickets in advance, especially during peak seasons. While winter, November to March, offers a serene landscape with unique ice formations. Each season presents a distinct perspective of the falls, catering to varied preferences. The Canadian side offers hotels with stunning views of the falls, such as the Sheraton Fallsview Hotel. The American side provides options close to the state park, allowing easy access to attractions. Booking in advance ensures a wider selection and better rates. Niagara Falls is more than a destination, it's a dynamic interplay of nature's grandeur and human endeavor. Whether enveloped in summer's lushness or winter's icy elegance, the falls offer an experience that resonates deeply, leaving an indelible mark on the soul. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and embark on your own adventure to one of nature's most mesmerizing masterpieces.